Good morning, my name is Joe Cashwell with Rotorcraft RC. Another beautiful build. Great customer, just awesome to talk to, great to deal with. He'd gone through our website, gone through our YouTube videos. He really knew what he wanted. Sent us his charger, so technically this is a kit. So this is a yellow Nanook 930, obviously. He wanted storage, Meanwell 2000, and sent us his iCharger 4010 Duo. Now if you know anything about these items, that's a lot to put into a 930. So the power supply is mounted up underneath the charger. We have to do some special modifications to the charger to get everything to fit. We tell people all the time, this is Tetris. This is stacking everything to where everything fits when the deck sets down. Came out beautiful. So the storage, like all of our storages that are in the bottom, have a touch latch, has the iCharger 4010, and once again we did the flip up screen. Seems like it's every Pro case that we do has the flip up screen in it now. He wanted on-off power switch built into it for the AC, so we have a dual pole 20 amp AC switch that turns the whole case off, so you don't have to plug it and unplug it. This has become very popular for our hobby customers that just have this, and our Pro customers too, that these are just sitting on a bench plugged in all the time and they just want to be able to turn it on and off with ease. We put in our 10S balance boards. So we have dual 10S balance boards. With this being a 4010, it's 40 amps up to 10S. So we mirrored the 10S with the balance boards. Rotorcraft RC, keeping you in charge.